If you're tired of the clutter on your Windows desktop and want a smoother way to access your apps, files, and tools, then you might be curious about Flow Launcher. But does it really deliver on its promises, or is it just another launcher in a crowded market? Flow Launcher is designed as a lightweight and highly customizable app launcher for Windows. At its core, it aims to streamline how you access applications, files, and even web searches, all from a quick keyboard shortcut. The user experience feels intuitive, especially with its minimalist design that allows for easy navigation. You can type to search for apps or files, and it's pretty responsive, giving you results almost instantly. One of the standout features is its plugin support, which expands its functionality beyond just launching apps. You can integrate it with tools like Google Search or even create custom scripts to tailor it to your workflow. However, while the core functionality is solid, some users might find the initial setup a bit daunting, especially if they want to dive into the more advanced customization options. It's clear that Flow Launcher caters to power users, but casual users might feel overwhelmed by the options available. Now, let's break down some pros and cons. On the plus side, Flow Launcher is fast and lightweight, which is a huge win for those looking to optimize their workflow. The extensive plugin support allows for great customization, making it a versatile tool for advanced users. However, there are some drawbacks. The setup process can be a bit complex for those not tech savvy, leading to potential frustration. Additionally, while it's feature-rich, some users might feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of options available, which could detract from the simplicity they seek in a launcher. Also, it lacks a built-in tutorial, which would be helpful for first-time users. Overall, while it shines for power users, casual users might want to explore other options. In conclusion, Flow Launcher is a powerful tool for those who want a highly customizable app launcher on Windows. If you're a power user who loves to tweak settings and integrate tools, it's definitely worth trying. However, if you prefer a straightforward, no-fuss experience, you might want to look elsewhere.